गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम 12th का न्यू सिलेबस का सेकंड का फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसका नाम है हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्केन। हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्केन, यू कैन से पहले ये इस चैप्टर का नाम जो था, जो ओल्ड बुक थी, जो ओल्ड सिलेबस की बुक थी, उसमें इस चैप्टर का नाम था हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अल्केन। अभी फ़िलहाल इस न्यू सिलेबस में उन लोगों ने इसका नाम रखा हुआ है हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव। हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। नाउ सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव। नाउ in 11th standard you have already learned the chapter हाइड्रोकार्बन। आपको पता है हाइड्रोकार्बन क्या होता है। what is mean by हाइड्रोकार्बन? tell me what is mean by हाइड्रोकार्बन? Hydrocarbons are the organic compound which is composed of carbon and hydrogen. That is composed of carbon and hydrogen. That is called a hydrocarbon. Then we further classified is aliphatic, saturated, unsaturated, right, and aromatic, non-aromatic. There's a many classification of these. But if you remove atoms, one atom or more than one atoms, right, from any hydrocarbon, or you can say any aliphatic hydrocarbon, any aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon, right? तो replacement of any atom or atoms. Now see, I will define it, don't worry, right? Replacement of atom, और ऑब्लिक करके यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मैं, atoms of any aliphatic hydrocarbon, any aliphatic hydrocarbon, और यू कैन से ऑब्लिक करके लिख दीजिए यहाँ पे आप, any aliphatic hydrocarbon और aromatic hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon. Then it forms a halogen derivative. Right? Then it forms a halogen derivative. Replacement of atom or atoms of any aliphatic hydrocarbon, or you can say aromatic hydrocarbon. Then you can say it is a halogen derivative. For example, now see, I will write a simple aliphatic hydrocarbon that is called alkane. पता होगा आपको alkane. Now see this, CH4 that is called as a methane, right? General molecular formula आपको पता है इसका, CnH2n+2, right? तो CH4, if I will open this compound, that is like this, CH, it is H, this is H, this is H, C1H4. If I will replace a atom of this hydrogen atom, more than one, right, but I am replacing only one hydrogen atom from here, right? तो अगर मैंने इसको replace किया, then see what will form, CH, that is H, that is H, and I will replace by X, where X is equal to halogens. X is equal to halogen. What are the halogens? Halogens are fluorine, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Acetine भी है, but we are not talking about because it is an artificially made element, right? So we will focus on these four, right? Now you can define what is a halogen derivative of the alkane. Now listen. Halogen derivative of the alkanes are the compound which is formed after the replacement of one hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom of any aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon, then it is called as a halogen derivative. Right? Now, what is the aromatic hydrocarbon? See this. This is the benzene, most simple structure of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Right? It is benzene. What is the molecular formula of the benzene? Benzene is nothing but the C6H6. Right? C6H6. यहाँ पे H है, यहाँ भी 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 है. Because the molecular formula is C6H6. But for the sake of the convenience, I am writing here only. Okay? Now, if I will replace this hydrogen atom, by the halogen atom, then I will replace this by the bromine. Right? I will replace by the bromine. It is called as a halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. You can say it is a halogen derivative. It is a halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. Right? So halogen derivative of the alkane is nothing but the organic compound which is formed after the replacement of one atoms or more than one atoms of the aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon. Right? That is clear. Now we will move further and we will see the classification of the halogen derivative. So we will focus on classification. Now, what is meant by classification? Classification based on the basis of where the halogen is attached to the skeleton of the hydrocarbon. Classification is based on where the halogen is attached to the skeleton of the hydrocarbon. Now see, classification, there are the two classification, right? So first classification is based on the basis of attachment of halogen atom in hydrocarbon skeleton. Skeleton, right? Hydrocarbon skeleton, where it is attached. Now, first classification is called as the haloalkane. It is called as a haloalkane, where the halogen is directly attached to the alkane group, right? Alkane, you can say alkyl group, right? Now see this, CH3, that is CH2, and that is Cl, where halogen attached to this alkane, right? Haloalkane, it is called as a haloalkane, right? It is called a haloalkane. And what is this? This is a C2H5. What is C2H5? This is the alkyl group. You have already learned in the 11th standard, right? Alkane से क्या बनता है? Alkyl group बनता है. If you have the alkane methane, it forms a methyl. If you have the ethane, it forms the ethyl. If you have the propane, you have to form or you will form the propyl or isopropyl. So this is the ethyl, right? So I am replacing one hydrogen atom from the ethane by this chlorine atom, that is a halogen, right? That is called a haloalkane. Now we will focus on haloalkene. The next classification is called as a haloalkene, where the carbon skeleton is of the alkene, right? That is a haloalkene, right? Now see, CH2 double bond C, right here H, and right here the Cl. That is called a haloalkene, where it is directly attached to the alkene, right? Because we are classifying on the basis of the attachment of the halogen atom in the hydrocarbon skeleton. So this is a haloalkene, and sometime it is directly attached to the alkyne. So in that case you have to call haloalkynes. Haloalkynes. So number third one is nothing but the haloalkynes. Haloalkynes, where it is directly attached to the alkynes. Now see this, that is alkyne. CH triple bond C, and you can write here Cl. You can write a Br also, any halogen, right, from here, but I am writing a Cl only, right. That is called a haloalkyne. And if it is replace the aromatic hydrocarbon hydrogen atom, then it is called as a haloarenes, or you can say haloarenes, right. So number 4 one is called as a haloarenes. That is called a haloarenes. What is haloarenes? When it is attached directly to the aromatic hydrocarbon, when it is directly attached to the aromatic hydrocarbon, that is called as a haloarenes. So this classification, haloarenes, that is called as a haloarenes. So this classification is based on the attachment of the halogen atom into the carbon skeleton, hydrocarbon skeleton, right. So that is called as a first classification, right. Now we will move for the next classification, the classification based on the number of halogen atom. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे क्लासीफाई किया हुआ है रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ एटम्स और एटम, रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ एटम और एटम्स. समटाइम यू हैव टू रिमूव, और यू विल रिमूव, or sometime there is a removal of more than one hydrogen atom. In all these cases we are removing only the one, right. But sometime it is possible, okay, there is a replacement of more than one hydrogen atom. So the next classification is based on the number of halogen atom. Now one is called as a mono. I will move for right. The classification number 2, that is a classification number 1. Now the classification number 2, that is on the basis of what? On the basis of what? That is on the basis of number of, on the basis of number of halogen atom, number of halogen atoms, right, number of halogen atoms. Now if you are removing one hydrogen atom of any alkane or any aliphatic hydrocarbon by one halogen atom, then you have to call it is a monohalogen derivative. It is called as a monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivatives. What is monohalogen? Replacement of one hydrogen atom of any aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon by one halogen atom, then you have to call monohalogen derivative of the alkane. This is the example of the monohalogen. This is all of the example of the monohalogen. So I am writing here this another example, that is called as a CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. Don't worry about it, we will learn the IUPAC and common name for all those compounds in the next class. Okay, now this is the monohalogen because I am removing only one. मैंने यहाँ पे एक ही रिमूव किया यहाँ पर, राइट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मोनोहैलोजन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द अल्केन. वन मोर एग्जांपल, CH3 CH, I am moving from here CH3, that is a monohalogen also. It is a monohalogen derivative of the alkane. And what will happen if you remove more than two hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom? Now if you will remove a more than one hydrogen atom of any aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, then that is called as a dihalogen derivative. You have to call it is a called dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivatives. CH2Cl and that is called as a CH2Cl. It is a dihalogen. Why dihalogen? Because from here I have removed one hydrogen atom and from here I have removed one hydrogen atom, right? That is called as a dihalogen derivative. It is called as a dihalogen derivative. क्या बन गया ये? It is called a dihalogen derivative. क्लियर है यहाँ पे? Now one more example. CH2Cl CHCl, that is CH2 and that is Cl, that is called a trihalogen. It is called as a trihalogen. So if you will replace a more than 2 hydrogen atom of any aliphatic hydrocarbon, then you will call trihalogen derivative of the alkane. मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. It is called as a trihalogen. Trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivatives, right? That is called a trihalogen. So this is a classification which are on the basis of number of halogen atom. If you are replacing one hydrogen atom by the one halogen atom, then it is mono. एक से जायद किया तो डाई and दो से जायद किया तो ट्राई and if more than 3, right, then it is called as a polyhalogen derivative of alkane. It is called as a polyhalogen derivative of the alkane, right? तो क्या क्या देखा हम लोगों ने आज हम लोगों ने देखा फर्स्ट definition of the halogen derivative. Then we will move for the classification on the basis of number of attachment, on the basis of attachment of the halogen atom in the hydrocarbon skeleton, and the classification based on the number of halogen atom, right, based on the number of halogen atom. That is called a classification. Mono, di, tri. Now one point remember, okay, in case of the monohalogen derivative of the alkane, it is further classified as primary, secondary, tertiary on the basis of the substitution of this carbon atom where the halogen is attached. Now I will show you what is the primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so we will classify monohalogen derivative of the alkane further on the basis of what? On the basis of attachment of the halogen atom to which carbon atom, and on the basis of the substitution of the carbon atom where the halogen is attached. I am focusing on this, or you can write this also, right? So I will focus CH3, CH2, that is called Br. Now see this compound. I am opening this compound, CH3, that is CH2, right? CH2, here the Br is attached. So this Br is attached to this carbon atom, right? That is a sp3 carbon atom. That is a sp3 carbon atom, right? And next to this again sp3 carbon atom, but this Br is attached to this carbon atom and this carbon is attached to only one carbon atom at a single time. Then it is called as a primary alkyl halide. You can say it is a primary alkyl halide, because monohalogen derivative of the alkane is also called as the alkyl halide. It is also called as a alkyl halide. इसी को क्या कहा जाता है? Alkyl halide. What is mean by alkyl halide? Alkyl means this is the alkyl group and this is the halogen. That's why this is called alkyl halide. So it is a primary. It is a primary. What will happen if I will replace this hydrogen atom by the methyl group? Now see this CH3, that is CH3. मैंने इस हाइड्रोजन को मिथिल से रिप्लेस कर दिया. Now this is H and this is Br. So it is called as a secondary. It is called as a secondary. Primary कैसे लिखते हो आप? You have to write like this. Primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. This is called a secondary. तो secondary alkyl halide. एंड फिर क्या होगा जब मैं इस दोनों हाइड्रोजन को मिथिल से रिप्लेस कर दूंगा, फिर बनेगा टर्शियरी. नाउ सी दिस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ टर्शियरी. तो CH3 दैट इज CH3, इस H को हटाया, इस H को भी हटा के मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मिथिल, तो ये हो जाएगा CH3 और ये हो गया आपका Br, राइट। मैं यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं करता हेलोजन, है ना, अदरवाइज यू विल कंफ्यूज। सी दिस कार्बन एटम एंड सी दिस कार्बन एटम, so this is on the basis of the attachment of the halogen of carbon atom, and this classification based on the substitution of this carbon atom to which halogen is attached. Classification is based on the substitution of this carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. There is no substitution, that's why this is called as the primary alkyl halide. But there is a one substitution because this carbon attached to only one carbon atom, but this carbon attached to two carbon atom, and this carbon attached to three carbon atom, and that's why this is called as a tertiary alkyl halide. We have to write like this: tertiary alkyl halide. So this is next extension of this, right? Okay, monohalogen derivative of the alkane is further classified as a primary, secondary and tertiary. Now we will move for the next classification on the basis of attachment of the halogen atom, right? We will move for the next classification. Now, classification on the basis of attachment of halogen atom, right, where it is attached. Now, first classification that is called as अभी हम लोगों ने देखा मोनो को ही क्लासीफाई करते हैं हम मोनो हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव, मोनो हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स, right? Now see this simple example: CH3 CH2, that is Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl, right? In this case, this halogen attached to this carbon atom, and next to this there is again sp3. These two are the sp3 carbon atom. I am opening this compound, right? So that is CH3, that is CH2, right, and that is Cl. So this carbon is sp3 carbon atom, right? And next to this is again sp3 carbon atom. This is again sp3 carbon atom. These two carbon are the sp3 hybridized. So this is called a alkyl halide. हमने अभी इसको फर्दर क्लासीफाई किया था प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी. But what will happen when the halogen is attached to the sp3 carbon atom and next to this sp2 carbon atom is there, right? So that is called as that is alkyl halide. Now, or you can say haloalkane, right? This is again haloalkane. Now, what will happen? Now see this example: CH2 double bond CH, that is CH2Cl. Now see this. This halogen is attached to this carbon atom, but next to this carbon atom, this is the carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. This is a sp2 hybridized, and this is for alkene. That's why it is called as a allylic. It is called as a allylic alkyl halide. You can say allylic alkyl halide, right? Now the third one is what? When it is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom of the benzene, right? Now see this. That is called a benzylic. It is called as a benzylic, right? So this is a benzene ring, and these all are the sp2 carbon atom, right? That is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and this halogen is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom of the benzene. Here again these two are the sp2 carbon. ये भी sp2 है, ये भी sp2 है, but this is for the alkene. That's why this is called the allylic. But this is for the benzene. That's why it is called as a benzylic alkyl halide. And what will happen when it is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom? what will happen? Now see the last example, that is it is directly attached to the, that is H, you can write here the Cl, it is Cl, okay, that is chlorine. So if the halogen is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom of the alkene, then it is called as a vinylic. It is called as a vinylic. That is alkyl halide. You can say normal alkyl halide. It further classified on the basis of the substitution pattern, right? Substitution pattern, and then it is called sp2. That is sp2. That is called as a allylic. It is for the sp2 for the benzene. It is called as a benzylic. When it is directly attached to the sp2 carbon atom, it is called as a vinylic hydrocarbon. And what will happen when it is directly attached to the alkyne, right? That is called as a haloalkyne. The last example, it is called as a haloalkyne. CH triple bond C, that is Cl. When it is directly attached to the sp carbon atom, that is sp carbon atom, so it is called as a haloalkynes. Right? That is called a haloalkyne. Now we will go for the quick revision, right? रिवीजन कर लेते फटाफट, बोलिए व्हाट इज द रिवीजन. क्या क्या पढ़ा हम लोगों ने आज, क्या क्या पढ़ा? फर्स्ट definition. What is the definition of halogen derivative of the alkane? Halogen derivative of the alkane is defined as the organic compound where replacement of one hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom of any aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, then it forms a halogen derivative of the alkane. It is further classified as on the basis of attachment of the halogen atom to the hydrocarbon skeleton. It is classified as haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkynes or haloarenes. Now it is further classified on the basis of the number of halogen atom, mono, di, tri and poly. Then it is further classified on the basis of the attachment of the carbon skeleton, where it is alkyl halide, allylic, benzylic, vinylic and haloalkyne. In the next period we will learn the IUPAC and common name, and then we will move for the methods of preparation of the halogen derivative of the alkane. You can say alkyl halide because we will focus on monohalogen derivative of the alkane, right? Classification tak theek hai, the rest of the chapter will be focused on this, right? Thank you very much.